Hi, my name is Miranda from WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect tool to help you multitask, this is it. This is the 2020 MacBook Air, and there's just nothing bad I can say about it. It's amazing. There's so many things I love about this. I love how thin it is, as you can see. I love how light it is. I love the color. This is rose gold. It's pretty, it's aesthetic. I work on the computer. I correspond with customers every single day. So I love that I can take it to my desk. I can do it in the living room, in the kitchen. I just take this everywhere and work. But what helps me multitask so much is at the top, you can see you can have multiple desktops open. And so I have quite a bit open. My husband always tells me I have too much, but it really does allow me to go between desktops and have open what I need and get what I need to done. So yeah, if you're looking for a multitasking tool, this is it. And that's my point of view.